I went to that reunion today, and I wish I didn't go.
That bad?
Yeah, I thought I'd be fine, but honestly, I feel kinda hurt.
That doesn't sound like just hurt.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. I kept telling myself I'm fine, but I'm really not.
What did they say?
A friend made a joke about me, right in front of everyone, and everyone laughed.
In front of everyone? What kind of joke?
The kind that sounds like a joke, but wasn't, and it hit me instantly, completely out of nowhere.
That's not just hurt. That's stung. Fast. Sharp. No warning at all.
Yeah, like I didn't even have time to react.
But it didn't stop there, did it?
No, it followed me home. I kept replaying it over and over the whole way back.
That's when it becomes wounded. Same moment, but now it lives rent-free in your head and won't leave.
And the more I replayed it, the worse it actually got.
Let me guess. It also started feeling unfair.
Completely. Like I did absolutely nothing to deserve that from him.
That's aggrieved. Not just pain, you feel genuinely wronged. That's a real difference.
That word fits way too well, honestly.
And your whole day after that?
Gone. Completely off. Couldn't focus on anything the entire afternoon.
That's upset. When one moment hijacks your whole day and just refuses to let go. But here's the real question. Who said it?
Someone I trust.
Yeah.
If a stranger said it, I honestly wouldn't care this much. But this felt completely different.
That's betrayed. It hurts more because they actually matter to you.
That's the one that's still sitting with me right now. I thought I was just hurt.
You weren't.
I was stung, wounded, aggrieved, upset, betrayed.
Same moment, 5 completely different hits.
Saying it like that, I actually know what happened now.
Most people don't.
Yeah, I didn't either.
That's why they stay stuck at hurt.
Hurt, general, hard to name. Stung, sharp and sudden. Also physical, like a bee sting. Here, it's purely emotional. Wounded, deeper, lasting. In other contexts, a soldier gets wounded. Here, it's emotional damage that stays. Aggrieved, pain plus injustice. You don't just feel bad, you feel wronged. Upset spreads into your whole day. Betrayed only cuts this deep because they mattered. Same word in, 6 different feelings out. Some words live double lives. Context changes everything.